Where are we, first of all? What's the name of this beach? Do we know?
You know, that's a very good question. Let me find out.
Okay. We should probably be prepared before we start. Hi everyone, it's me, Leona. Welcome back to my channel, Leona's Creative Endeavors. As you know, life isn't perfect, but it sure is worth filming. And on this episode, we're visiting the Jersey Shore. The Jersey Shore has a unique charm and it brings people back year after year. And it's not just to see Snooki and the Situation. Since we had to travel to New Jersey for a basketball tournament, and never being anywhere in New Jersey except Atlantic City, we decided to try out a few specific places. Stay to the end to hear about my very memorable hot dog stand I had to try, and my top 5 reasons I recommend the Jersey Shore for your next getaway.
It's cool being here.
That's so cool. Oh yeah!
The history.
Here we are at the birthplace of the Jersey Sound. The Stone Pony helped launch the careers of Bruce Springsteen, Southside Johnny and the Asbury Jukes, and Stephen Van Sant of the E Street Band and the Sopranos. These artists blended rock, soul, and blues into a gritty, passionate Asbury sound that became world famous. Everyone is invited to go in and take a tour, but if you want to drink and see a show, you have to buy tickets. And that's at night. We were there during the day and they were more than gracious to let us in and walk around and film. The Stone Pony is right by the Asbury Park boardwalk. The venue blends music with beach town nostalgia. And it's really more than a club. It's part of the whole vibe there. Sand, neon, guitars, and heart. And it's a cultural symbol. It survived tough times. It represents resilient art and the soul of Asbury Park. Asbury Park is a beautiful beach with an iconic boardwalk. Plenty to do, see, and experience there. The next day, we were invited to a different beach. This beach was called Long Branch Beach. And it's more than just a spot for sun and surf. It's a vibrant coastal community. Did you know that there's a presidential history here? 7 Presidents Oceanfront Park is named after the U.S. presidents who vacationed here, including Ulysses S. Grant and President James Garfield. He was brought here to recover after being shot in 1881. The house where he stayed became a historic site. Long Branch also has a very vibrant arts and cultural hub. Be sure to check out Long Branch Arts and Cultural Center and the West End Arts District. They have host galleries, live music, poetry readings, and indie film events. The New Jersey Repertory Company is nationally recognized for premiering new plays and nurturing playwrights. Here we are entering some oceanfront living. The centerpiece of Long Branch's modern revival is Pier Village, a luxury beachfront complex with shops, restaurants, hotels, and apartments. It's often compared to a mini version of Santa Monica with its boardwalk and festive atmosphere. You'll find live concerts, pop-up events, farmers markets, and even outdoor yoga and movie nights here. Come join us as we head to the beach. Nice. And off we go. Oh my God, it smells fantastic, like sea and sunscreen lotion. Little changing huts. I think people own those. Look how absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I did 4 hours for parking, which we won't be here that long. But better to be safe than sorry. Or maybe I'll never leave. I am holding up the rear per usual. I've got some important sustenance just in case. Jim was smart not to go in. I ended up with a lot of sand and rocks in my bathing suit. Oh no, but that's a beautiful shell. Ugh. I want to find some sea glass. Keep looking, Jim. Don't let me down. Jim, you gotta go in! You can't hear, that's the problem. Oh no. Pick him up and carry him in. Watch out, Dan's gonna tackle him. Oh my God. I really thought he was going in. I thought, oh no. Now it is gray and overcast today. However, I will say this. If we had been to the beach really yesterday to swim and stuff, it would have been so sunny and hot, and without an umbrella, I would have melted.
Yeah, it would have been too hot.
Yes.
And too crowded at Asbury Park, at that beach.
Yes. That was fun, but it's a different vibe. This is a little more upscale and appropriate, I think, for a more chill, relaxed time. The waves are so fun. Killer, I was going to say. Killer. Just fun. Very different from where we are in Connecticut. And it's the water is just perfect. It's not too hot and not too cold.
There's no waves in Connecticut like this.
Yes, because we have Long Island Sound, which blocks it, so we don't get a lot of waves.
No, the girls are having a lot of fun.
They really are having a lot. I'm having a nice time. The one downer is that when I went swimming, I ended up with a lot of rocks, like little pebbles inside my swimsuit. So if I had to say that would be the negative, but that is no one but Mother Nature's fault. So that's okay. I'm not mad at her. We are having a lovely time. It's not too hot. It's just like the perfect temperature. And I am working up quite an appetite for lunch.
Yeah. Lunch is around the corner. I did have good news. I did find something nice here on the beach.
What did you find?
Blue sea glass. Very rare. But I found it with my eagle eyes.
Yes.
So, but no,
You're always so lucky, Jim.
This is a beautiful beach. It's nice. It's fun.
Yes. And this is crazy because now I have been to the beach more this summer already than last year. And way earlier.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I was back, it was August when we went to the beach when he took me last year.
Back to school time.
Yes, and I'll link the video here. Right here, somewhere.
Oh, the last year's video.
Last year's video when you surprised me with a romantic trip to the beach because I was so crabby. Like, I didn't even get to go to the beach this summer. What did we do last year? I don't know.
You're very busy.
You're very
busy people.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks for
crowded
joining
here.
us at the beach today. Come get tattooed.
In 3 weeks, we'll show you.
Wow. That's something you don't see every day. Okay. I have my sights on where we're going for lunch. Can you see it? There it is. The Windmill. Burgers, hot dogs, cheese fries. Oh my gosh. I just want to go in here because it's just so fun and different. It's drawing me in. I got to take some footage of the outside here. Oh my gosh, it has seating up top. Dude, look at how cool that is. Oh, that chili sauce looks good. I'm kind of jealous. Mine has sauteed onions and sauerkraut and some like pickled relish. In case you got a burger. Go for it, girl. Oh, it's got onion on it? Or is that all lettuce? Let me pull it off.
How many forks for the cheese fries? Two? Alright, cheeseburger, cheese fry.
That's good. It's not very graceful eating hot dogs. Check out this Dunkin' Donuts. I wonder why they designed it like that, or was it something else? Or it was original. Who knows? Or it's trying to compete with the windmill. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know we love history and we love musical theater. So, the Monmouth Battle State Park and its museum are deeply tied to the Revolutionary War's history, and yes, this site has a direct link to the story told in Hamilton. Here's why. This is the site of one of the largest battles in the Revolutionary War. It ended in a strategic draw, but the American Army's improv performance boosted morale and credibility. General Washington personally rallied retreating troops, showing iconic battlefield leadership. His reputation as a capable commander was solidified at Monmouth. Hamilton was on the battlefield during the fight, serving as an aide to Washington and eventually leading a critical battery. Hamilton fans will remember the song "Stay Alive" and the duel scene with General Charles Lee. After Monmouth, Charles Lee was court-martialed for insubordination and retreating during the battle. Hamilton played a key role in exposing Lee's failures. The fallout led to the Hamilton-Lee duel depicted in the show. You should definitely visit the museum. It brings history to life. They have battle reenactments, artifacts, troop, movement displays, interactive exhibits, and local stories. There are also walking trails on the actual battlefield terrain. Okay, here are the top 5 reasons I recommend the Jersey Shore. First, iconic beach experiences for everyone. From tranquil family spots to high-energy boardwalks, the Jersey Shore offers something for every beachgoer. Clean sand, beautiful ocean breezes, and the boardwalk thrills that define the perfect summer day. Number 2, music history that still rocks. The legendary Stone Pony in Asbury Park isn't just a music venue, it's a living shrine to American rock. Catch a show and see new talent still rising under that spotlight. Number 3, a real slice of revolutionary history. At Monmouth Battle State Park, visitors walk the same ground where George Washington and Alexander Hamilton fought to shape a new nation. With ties to the musical Hamilton, it's the perfect mix of education and entertainment. Number 4, boardwalk food and fun that feels like summer. Craving fresh seafood, funnel cakes, or a sunset Ferris wheel ride? The Jersey Shore delivers that classic American vibe with taffy shops, mini golf, live music, fireworks, and the awesome smell of salt air and fries. And number 5, tradition, nostalgia, and community. Whether it's a multi-generational family trip, a day trip with friends, or a romantic beach weekend, the Jersey Shore feels like coming home, even if it's your first time. There's a timeless magic in traditions and shared stories. So head on down to the Jersey Shore and have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Leona's Creative Endeavors. Guess what? Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful.